Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day. And for today's trade of the day, I will be focusing on euro dollar. No reasons in particular why I chose this pair, but not because there's any up and coming news, but because the setup on the intraday is really very interesting. Now, I just want to show you guys something. It looks as if price actually push. Sorry, let me change that color. Okay. Looks as if price has pushed all the way up, came back down and coming up, and it's like testing this double top. Okay, looks like there could be a double top. However, intraday, I just want to show you guys something. If I were to change to line chart, okay, there's a small reaction here. All right, there's a small reaction here. Okay, and if I were to draw a line across, we'll see that price actually reacted very nicely at this level. Right, so let me just show you guys. Okay, the green color for support. Okay, something like that, and I change my candlestick. Look at that reaction. Okay, it's quite a nice reaction. It's actually more like a resistance, breakout and pullback, turn support. Okay, but the daily doesn't tell us much, so let's go down to the 4 hours. So 4 hours, we see that this is actually a very strong supply-demand area, right? Price actually whipsawed around this area multiple times, okay, before going lower. It never came back to test, but then sometime in the start of July, it came back close once, rejected, came back down, and then after that, in the middle of July, just earlier this week, right, we see that it tested and it came back down again, right? So price finally broke above and retested before a bounce higher. So I'm thinking that price could actually come back bounce because of this rejection, right? We could actually push higher on the intraday. Okay, so let me just tidy things up. All right, I'm going to move the support to this level. Okay, so this is the intraday 4-hour support, and of course the target intraday will be the high, the recent high. Okay, and why I chose the high is because if we were to look left, right? If we were to look left, there's no other point of reference anymore, right? So the only point of reference is this recent high. Okay, so very quickly, let's go down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, I want to show you guys one other thing as well. Okay, why price actually reacted right there, even though it looks like there should be a pullback. Now, you see there's this high here, and then after that, price made a push down and came back up, made a lower high. Now, if we take a zigzag, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, we will see that the 100% actually holds right at this level here, right? There's a 100% level here, okay, which is a very strong support area. Okay, so I'm thinking with price holding sideways at this area, this is a very strong support area. I'm thinking that price could at least bounce up to this level. All right, so we can actually, or even if it doesn't go up, to this level, it should actually retrace back to the 61.8. But why I'm confident that it will go up to this level is because if price is in a downtrend, remember, when price is in a downtrend, what should we see? Right, we should see a high, a low, a lower high, and a lower low, correct? However, so like this, right, a low, a high, a lower low, a lower high. Okay, however, what we see now is a high, a low, a lower high, and price is actually testing the same low. So if anything, the movement is actually more of something like that. Okay, so there is a short-term, it looks like a short-term reversal, and you see this big bullish green candle. Okay, so if we were to connect the two tops, right, we will connect the two tops with a trend line. Okay, tap as many candles as possible. It's okay to cut the wicks, but not the body. So something like that, right? And if I were to take a retracement from the last swing high to the low, open all Fibonacci ratios, I'm looking at 7860 or 61.8. Okay, so I think the 61.8 seems to have a bit more graphical level, so I'm just going to put something here, something like that. Okay, I'm just going to put it higher over here. Okay, it's slightly in line with the descending trend line resistance. All right. So what I'm thinking price could do, okay, is make a push up to this level. All right, and once it breaks above the trend line, okay, we should go all the way to the high here. Okay, so if anything, this will actually be my buy entry. Okay, for those people who are patient and want to wait for price to come back and retest later during the American session, okay, the US session, price should come back and retest here. All right. Now, there's this low here as well. This will be the alternative target. Okay, this will be the alternative target, right? And of course, I will have my partial take profit here. Okay, and this will be my full take profit. Okay, so something like that, right? Now, I'm just expecting price to come up here, test this area here, make a pullback, and continue upwards. All right. So for those of you who really want to just enter at the market, okay, of course you do your own due diligence, but only when price surpasses this high, okay, then I will play up to this level as my first take profit, partial take profit, close out at least half of my position, move my stop loss to break even, okay, and then let the remaining 50% of the position right towards the take profit. Now, should price come back below, break below the buy entry, I'll wait for a reaction of the buy entry, okay, and play down towards this level here. All right. So that is the trade of the day. Okay, so a very simple idea. Okay, right. This really is the pivot level, and where my stop loss will be slightly below the 100%. I'm going to keep it tight because I want to be as quick as possible to be able to react to the alternative case should price really go the other direction. All right, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's very quick and simple, straightforward analysis of Euro USD. This seems like a very good intraday trade setup, but as always, do your own due diligence. Thank you, have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys next week. Take care.